Hi everyone, so for today's video, we are going to do something a little bit different. I've been really looking for a way to create a very editorial glossy eye look. The other day, I was on James Molloy page. He's a makeup artist, and I saw on one of his stories that he made a glossy look using honey. Now, I saw that and I was freaking shocked. I was like, wait, what? Using honey for a glossy eye makeup look? I really wanted to try it out, so I'm so excited. This is so special. I really don't know how this is going to turn out. So if you want to see if I fail or if this is a success, you can just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put up new videos 3 times a week, so subscribe so that you don't miss any of my content. And that's it, so let's get started with the honey. So I think I'm going to be starting with my complexion just so that we can see what we have to work with, and I will be able to take pictures right away because I feel like the honey is not going to be a very long-lasting option. So I'm just going to run through my complexion. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I'm back. I really wanted to do something extremely simple. I didn't do much on my face. I just really wanted to have a really well structured face, so I did a lot of cream contouring, bronzing. I was really generous on the bronzer. I applied a little bit of blush, a little bit of highlight, not too much, just because I really want the focus of this look to be the eyes. So we are going to get started now. This is a very scary part. I have a little container here, and I'm just going to take a bunch of honey. Well, not a bunch, maybe just this amount. Oh my god, this is so scary. And to put like a pigment in the honey, I'm going to be using my Essence Melted Chrome eyeshadow. These are super intense and they're really cheap, so I'm not really mad about ruining this eyeshadow. So I'm going to just scrape this into the honey mixture. You see how creamy this eyeshadow is? It's really crazy. I think that's going to be enough for the moment. So yes, I'm going to take my kitchen knife and I'm going to mix all of this in. Ooh, okay, now that's pretty. All right, so I'm going to do like a little swatch on the back of my hand just to see how this looks. So let me just do that really quickly. Okay, that's pretty. And I'm probably going to buy more of these Essence eyeshadow because they're really cheap and they're so bright. Wait, let me show you just on the back of my hand. These are so freaking creamy and so freaking intense. Do you see this? Yeah, so I'm probably going to buy more of these. But right now I'm destroying one for the sake of science. And for the look I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to do one line going outwards. I want this to be not really wearable. I just want to see how this can look on the eye. Don't worry, I'm not going to use the knife to apply this on my eyes. I am going to use a brush. Okay, so I have this flat brush, and I think I'm just going to do one swipe like this. I need to concentrate. This needs to be perfect on the first try. Oh my goodness, I think I'm just going to do a test on the back of my hand just to see how much I need on the brush. Oof, look at this. Oh, okay, no, I definitely do not need this much. And I'm just going to do a swipe. Whew. Okay, I see you. I'm going to add a little bit more. Thank you for sharing your knowledge, James. This is amazing. Okay, I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, this one is a little bit more wonky. Okay, this is the kind of look that I need to calm my too much gene. Like, I will not know when to stop. Alright, well, this works. What more can I say? This is so intense. Look at this. And you can do this with like any kind of colors. Oh my god, this is such a good idea. I don't know what to do with my lashes. Like, I don't really want to put mascara on. I think I'm going to leave it like that, like a very editorial gloss look. Alright, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Now, this is approved. This is freaking amazing. Like, it's so glossy. It's even more glossy than when I did my orange look using the like a normal lip gloss. And the texture on this is really thick. It's really intense. And you can put any eyeshadow or any like colors in honey so that you have the perfect like glossy customizable color. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. It's short and sweet, so this technique is amazing. I'm going to do that very often for editorial looks. I feel like it gives a really nice effect and it's super simple to do as well. And I'm just spreading honey all over my hands. I'll need to go and wash my hands, but yeah, this is so intense. It's so pretty. Do it if you don't have nothing to do at home. You have some honey, you have eyeshadow, try this out. This is freaking amazing. But yeah, anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put up new videos 3 times a week, so subscribe so that you don't miss any of my content. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.